Hey, sweetie. Are you ready for your sleepover?
Yeah, one of my bestest friends are coming.
Okay, now go get your stuff.
I got it.
Good job. Okay, go.
I got the colorful first.
Okay. Why does a teenager always have to get it? Oh, hi.
Hi.
I'll go get my little sister. Go back inside, little guy. Okay, here's the phone.
Hi. Oh, hi. Ready for the sleepover? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I left my sleeping bag at my other friend's house. I'm gonna go get it. Bye.
Yeah, you.
Let's go get it. I don't know where my sleeping bag went. I think someone stole it. Thank you. Well, I'm just gonna bring my covers.
Okay.
Ow. Boop. Hey. Yeah, I'm bringing my covers. Okay. See you there in a minute. Okay. Let's go. I gotta go knock on the door.
See the next call.